You can expect a lot from the 2011 Honda Civic. This two-door, five-passenger coupe still has less than 35,000 miles. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, power moonroof, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.